Hi everyone. Right, I'm really sorry about this. I did film making these, but for some reason it didn't. I don't know what happened. All I know is I put it on the computer, took the chip out the camera, put it on the computer, and it disappeared. So it's really hard. I'm going to have to just try and do the other side to show you how I coloured them. Now I've put it onto some foil here. I'm just going to do the same again to turn it over. I don't think the egg's quite ready. No. So, but there's no colouring on the other side of the egg, so that's fine. I'm just going to show you the meat side of it. So it's just sticky back foil, like that. And I'm just going to pop them on there. And what I've done is I've coloured them, and then I've used this water texture, which is a clear gel, just to go over them. And all it is just a piece of clay shaped into kind of like bacon. Same with the sausages. You know, just rolled out sausages and bent a little bit. But I'm just going to finish colouring these. And then I did do, which are not finished yet, some hash browns. They've just got to be darkened a little bit. Now I do have my chalks available. And I need a brush. So I've got my little brush here. And these are just decorating chalks. But I don't need to do any more to the sausages. They don't need to be coloured. So they can stay as they are. And like I say, the eggs are fine as well. They just want some of the gel over them. So let me just move these out of the way. I don't want to put my fingers in there because they're not quite dry. And the way to do that is, it's just very basic. Oops. Oh, like that. Little bit of clay made in the shape of an egg. And then painted. Move them over there, put these back here. And then I've done some beans, obviously. They want finishing off. So yeah. But to do the bacon, I used acrylic paint, of course. Now, let me just find my other brush. There we are. And I used a couple of colours. So I started with the red. Added a touch of brown. And a touch of yellow. And then a white. To lighten it all up. And a bit more red. If you want that pinky colour. And then all I did was to paint them where I thought the bacon would be to the gristle. Let me swing that round again. It's really hard. I've got nothing to hold on to. Sorry. So just something like that to make it look like bacon. A touch more red. Oops. And that's really basically all it is. like that. And then what you can do is just put a little pink in. You know, just to highlight some of it. Like that. You probably can't see it online on the camera, but it does highlight a little bit. And then when that's dried, then I just use the clear texture, water texture, to go over it. Now, I do need to finish the beans, really. I'm just mixing yellow and red together to make an orange. And I've just brushed over them like that and then left them to dry. Doesn't matter if there's any white left on them when I put them on the plate. I will go over them once they're glued in. You know. But here's my little plate that I made. I've not done the underneath. I can do that afterwards. But you really, I'm not going to see that bit under there. So I can just pop that on like that with a sausage, which looks a little bit big. Oops-a-daisy. With some beans. So we can just sprinkle some beans on. And I've got to put the gel on it yet, so I'm not fussed about it. I don't want too many, not too much. A hash brown. It's raining again, believe it. And then an egg. Like that. And then what I do is I'm going to pour some glue over that. A little bit more. There we go. You can actually mix something like this and put it in a little pot. So I'm just going to brush over everything. It'll help stick everything down and put a shine on everything. Pop that into there. That'll help stick that down. Just see if I can put another little piece of oops, hash brown on there. Like that. Come on, mate. Oh, bugger it. Sorry. I'm just going to drip some on, and then they will all set together. Oh, I've got this plate. Got a heart-shaped one we can use. So, now let's just... Oh, look what's that on there. Oh, I didn't see that. I'm going to get that egg. Put the egg on. Take the bacon. I'll switch that round a bit. Oh, not many beans. but you're not to know. And some hash browns. Like that. And that still can be used as a breakfast. I can whiten the egg up, that's not a problem. Just do that, that's whiten the egg a bit. And then we just go over it with that orange mix and yellow. It's just like that. That's all it is. And I can do that one again as well. Okay. And you've made yourself a couple of breakfasts. His and hers breakfasts. I hope that's helpful. Shape it, it's just clay. Shape it into the shape you want. Hang on, I'm not happy with that egg. It's just, I'm looking at it and going, no, no, no. No, not happy with the egg. It's not smooth enough on top for me. That'll be all right. I hope that's helpful. Let's put this in the glue. I think we'll just put a little bit more there. Like that. His and hers breakfast. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.